our web development services and solutions. We offer top-notch web development services to meet diverse business needs. With advanced technologies and native designs, we create high-performing websites that ensure seamless functionality, robust security, and scalability for business growth. How we can help: content management systems, CMS, development, custom website development, building e-commerce platforms, UX, UI design and development, integrating third-party services, provide SEO services, optimizing performance, offering ongoing support and maintenance, our web development services and solutions. Transform your vision into reality and achieve your business objectives with expert web portals development. Enhance your business potential with our tailored web portal development service. Crafting user-friendly portals that offer effortless navigation, seamless integration, scalability, and security. Elevate user experience, drive exponential growth. Website development. Supercharge your online presence with our exceptional web development services. Custom and user-friendly websites, tailored to your specific needs. Custom-friendly portfolio sites to e-commerce platforms. Elevate your online presence and connect you with your target audience. E-commerce solutions. Create a unique shopping experience through our tailored e-commerce development services. Our custom-built websites boast intuitive catalogs and streamlined checkout processes, enabling you to maximize conversions and drive sales. Web applications. Our expertise lies in delivering high-performing applications to elevate your online presence. We build with the latest technologies to create user-friendly, responsive, secure web applications that seamlessly operate across various platforms. Our implementation process. Creating installable applications for the mobile devices and implementing back-end services.